Hello, everyone. Welcome to the day two of the introductory session. So, I hope from the first video you understood what it is all about. And in today's video, you will understand how to bring that magic into your life, how to know what are your dreams that you want to achieve in this year. So, let's get started. So, it is about bring the magic into your life. You need to understand that everything near us is magical. Whatsoever you touch, whatsoever you see, whatsoever you hear is magical. You need to bring magic into your life. That can only happen if you have belief in the magic. So in this photo, what do you see? That it's just a normal house, the kitchen, the stove, but here everything is very sparkling, glowing one. You need to have that magical feeling all around you. Okay, then only you will be able to understand how to bring magic into your life. So, first of all, you need to believe that no matter where you are, who you are, what your current circumstances is, the magic of gratitude will actually change your entire life. You need to have this faith in yourself. Okay. Rhonda Byrne ने क्या बोला? I have received letters from thousands of people in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their life completely by practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transform into magnificent relationships. I have seen those in total poverty become prosperous, and I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives. See, gratitude have actually changed their lives. And even I have felt in my own life that when you have gratitude in the worst circumstances also, worst से worst situations आपके साथ हुआ होगा, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, but if you have the ability to fight over it, you will actually come out of that zone and come to a higher vibrational environment. But you need to have that belief. Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationships, no matter what state they are in now. Whatsoever situations you are in, worst say worst situation may be, if you bring gratitude into your life, you will be able to change your state of mind of your life for sure. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things you want to do. हमें लगता है कि भाई we don't have the money to do whatsoever we want to do. But miracles will happen and you'll have all the resources that you need to do all the things that you want to do. So bring gratitude into your life. That is your perspective, you know, before you start this book. This is very important. You need to understand the meaning of gratitude, how you can bring that into your life. With all the practices, slowly, with 1% daily, you will be able to bring gratitude into your life completely. It will increase your health, bring a level of happiness beyond what you have ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success, and bring about your dream job or whatever it is you want to do. In fact, whatever it is that you want to be, do, or have, gratitude is the way to receive it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. Trust me. जो भी segment आपके life में perfect है, try to give gratitude to that segment of life. Your other segment will immediately अपने आप will start improving. Trust me. बट अगर आप उसी सेगमेंट पे उसी प्रॉब्लम पे फोकस करोगे तो जो आपके पास है वो भी चला जाएगा. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सो द मैजिक ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड इज लाइक गोल्ड. It actually can turn your life upside down. Trust me. So, as you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong. There always has a reason for everything that is happening. And in fact, if you think deep inside, you are actually the creator of those things. Why certain things might be missing from your life? As you make gratitude a way of your life, you will wake up each morning excited to be alive. You will find yourself completely in love with life. Everything will seem effortless. So you will feel as light as feather and happier that you have ever felt before. Once you bring magic into your life, once you bring gratitude into your life, the moment you wake up in the morning, you will wake up with fresh mind, with energy, with all good positive vibration. Negative things will not impact you. Negative environment will not impact you. In fact, if you are negative in your life, that will also change completely. So while challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. देखो, challenges is a way of life. Life है तो challenges आएंगे. If you have that belief that भाई magic पढ़ लिया, gratitude कर लिया, फिर भी हमारे challenges क्यों आ रहे, तो that is not the point, because life is for ups and downs. तो challenges आएंगे, but the way you fight over it, the way you overcome that is what makes the difference. So every day will be magical, every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child. तो जैसे ही आप magic element को अपने life में ले आओगे, the moment you bring this into your life, everything will change. Your life will actually become magical. So now, at the moment, you need to ask yourself, is your life magical? You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. Just take a look at all of the major areas in your life. Just take a diary. Request you all to take a diary for yourself to do all the practices in the next 28 days. तो जो चीज आपको बोला गया है करने के लिए, वो आपको उस डायरी में लिखना है. जैसे सपोज टुडे यू नीड टू राइट ऑल द मेजर एरियाज इन योर लाइफ: मनी, हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, करियर, होम, रिलेशनशिप. अल्टीमेटली ये सारे एरियाज है जो हमें इम्पैक्ट करते हैं लाइफ में. तो द एरियाज ऑफ योर लाइफ दैट आर abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. Any areas that are not abundant and wonderful are due to the lack of gratitude. अगर आप सोचोगे, अगर आप डीप थिंकिंग करोगे, तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि अगर आपका हेल्थ एरिया बहुत अच्छा है, तो मतलब यू आर actually showing gratitude to yourself daily, to your body daily, to the blood that is flowing inside us, to everything that fulfills, a human body. So all the health related things are perfect because you are actually giving gratitude to that area. But अगर आपका career is not fine, that means अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे हो, कोई business में हो, कोई job में हो, whatsoever it is, you must be cribbing something or the other about that thing. आप चाहे अपने बॉस के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हो, अपने पार्टनर के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हो, या अपने काम के बारे में कुछ बोल रहे हो, यू आरंट हैप्पी विद इट. इसीलिए आप क्रिप कर रहे हो, तो मतलब आप ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं शो कर रहे हो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लैकिंग इन दैट एरिया. So it's a simple fact. When you are not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You have stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationship, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive, you have to give, and it's the law. ग्रैटिट्यूड इज गिविंग थैंक्स. देखो, अगर आपके पार्टनर ने भी आपके साथ बुरा किया, एक बार हमें बुरा लगेगा, खराब लगेगा, बट वी नीड टू स्टॉप क्रिबिंग, बिकॉज वंस अपॉन अ टाइम वी मस्ट हैव थॉट गुड अबाउट दैट पर्सन. दैट्स व्हाई यू एक्चुअली मतलब स्टार्टेड वर्किंग टुगेदर. तो जो उनके बारे में अच्छे पॉइंट्स थे, उन सबको आपको लिखना स्टार्ट करना होगा, उनको ग्रैटिट्यूड देना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप उस एरिया से आउट हो पाओगे. आप अभी स्टक हो उस एरिया में, उस एरिया से निकलने के लिए आपको उन सब एरियाज को थैंक यू करना है, यानी बाय करना है, तभी आप नए चैप्टर को इंट्रोड्यूस कर पाओगे अपने लाइफ में. सो ग्रैटिट्यूड इज गिविंग थैंक्स, एंड विदाउट इट यू cut yourself off from the magic and from receiving everything you want in your life. So the bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we are not grateful, when we are taking and only taking, our life will actually become for granted. When we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. जो आपके पास है, सब चला जाएगा. Trust me. So the law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. अगर आपने किसी चीज को granted लिया, तो actually में वो आपके लाइफ से चला जाएगा. So remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. Take it as a curse, take it in whatsoever you want to. But trust me, if you have taken anyone for granted in your life, आप सोचो, डीप थिंकिंग करो कि उन्होंने आपको हर्ट किया या नहीं किया, बिकॉज दैट वॉज दैट कि आप अपने आप से उनको दूर कर रहे हो. ही और शी इज टेकन अवे फ्रॉम यू. Trust me. So, more certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life. It's a lifestyle, trust me. So, now let us understand what's the magic formula, how to go about it, what all things we need to know before. Okay, so the magic formula, knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. सबके पास knowledge होता है, सबके पास education है, but अगर आप उसको use नहीं करोगे, अगर आप उसको practice नहीं करोगे तो उसका use नहीं है, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. सिमिलरली अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में जानते हो, अगर आप मैजिक के बारे में जानते हो, तो इनमें जो प्रैक्टिस दिया गया है वो आपको डेली करना है. तभी इफेक्ट, तभी इसके चेंजेस आपके लाइफ में आएंगे. Ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way, and first you must say the magic words thank you. You need to bring these two magical words in your life. Thank you in your life. Make it your lifestyle. Be grateful for anything that is happening around you and say thank you. जैसे मेरे पास whenever my kid reaches school, I get a message. I always say thank you to the driver, to the lady who is in the bus, to the road, to the bus every single day. As soon as I receive the message that he has reached school safely. So this is a practice which has come into my life and it has become a lifestyle. So bring these two magical words in your life. I cannot begin to tell you how important the words thank you are for your life. To live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become the two words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. They need to become your identity. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life you want to become, to your dreams. Thank you will actually help you reach your dreams, achieve all your dreams. Okay? So the magic formula is what? Deliberately think and say the magic words. कभी भूल भी जाओ ना, बोलो. Deliberately याद रखो. Thank you बोलना है. Thank you बोलना है. The more you deliberately think and say the magic words, thank you, the more gratitude you will feel. The more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you will receive. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? Deliberately सोचो और बोलो थैंक यू. जितनी बार आप डेलिबरेटली सोच के थैंक यू बोलोगे, ग्रैटिट्यूड और ज्यादा आपको फील होगा. जितना ज्यादा ग्रैटिट्यूड आपको फील होगा, उतना ज्यादा एबंडेंस आपके लाइफ में आएगा. सो दिस इज द मैजिक फॉर्मूला. ओके, थिंक, से थैंक यू, feel more gratitude and more abundance will come into your life. So gratitude is a feeling. So the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can. Because it's the force of your feeling that accelerates the magic in your life. जितना ज़्यादा intensity से आप उसको feel करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा magic आपके life में आएगा. So Newton's law is 1 for 1. What you give, you receive equally. That means if you increase your feeling of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to be equal to your feeling. The truer the feeling, the more sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. Starting में deliberately बोलो, चाहे वो आपको ऐसे एकदम intensively नहीं आ रहा हो, but gradually it will come. So when you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, and when you see the magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to be. I swear. आपको कभी मन ही नहीं करेगा रिटर्न होने का. लास्ट 4 years में जितने challenges मैंने फेस किए, जितने ups and downs लाइफ में आए, अगर मैजिक बुक मेरे साथ नहीं होता तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड विथ मी. आई हैव बिकम सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रैटिट्यूड, बिकॉज ऑफ द द believe, the thought which I have in myself that no, I don't deserve this. I deserve high frequency in my life. I deserve energy in my life. I deserve to be happy in this life. So you need to understand that if you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. But if you practice gratitude a lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways you can not imagine also. So by now you must be clear about the magic formula. We'll read about the magical book. Okay. This book is something which has energy, which has positive vibration, and it has the power to change your life completely, to transform your life. If only you want. Okay. So As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. आप चाहे थैंक यू बोलो, आप चाहे अप्रिशिएट करो थ्रू वर्ड्स, इफ डीप इनसाइड you don't feel good about that person, that appreciation won't help, that gratitude won't help. So you need to live by them. You need to feel that appreciation for them. Okay, so in this book there are 28 magical practices that have been specifically designed so that you learn how to use gratitude's magical power to revolutionize your health, money, job, relationship, and to make your smallest desire and your biggest dreams come true. तो इसमें 28 मैजिकल प्रैक्टिसेस जो है ना, इट विल हेल्प यू टू ओवरकम ऑल द चैलेंजेस, ऑल द bad days of your life, bad relationship from your life, because it will open up the things that is stuck. जो भी आपके strings attached है अभी भी, you feel bad about something or still you have those feelings deep inside, it will release you from that. Okay, so you will also learn how to practice gratitude to dissolve problems and transform any negative situation. तो कोई भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन जब आपके लाइफ में आता है तो उसको कैसे खत्म करना है वो आपको यहाँ पे सीखने को मिलेगा. You will be captivated while you read this life-changing knowledge, but without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will slip through your fingers and the opportunity that you attracted to easily change your life will be gone. So अगर आप सिर्फ रीड करोगे और उसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. I am telling you, it won't help at all. So to ensure this does not happen to you, you need to practice gratitude over 28 days, daily without fail, so that you impregnate your cells, your subconscious mind with it. Only then will it change your life permanently. आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ग्रैटिट्यूड आ जाना चाहिए कि ऑटोमेटिकली आपके मुंह से हमेशा निकले, हमेशा यू फील इन दैट वे ओनली. सो ये 28 डेज अगर आप कंटिन्यूअस करोगे ना तो डीप इनसाइड यू it will stay permanently. So the practices are designed to be completed over 28 consecutive days. This allows you to make gratitude a habit, a new way of life. Practicing gratitude in a concentrated effort over consecutive days guarantees that you will see the magic takes place in your life and fast. So कंसिस्टेंसी आपको मेंटेन करना है, एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस आपको करना है. इसलिए मैंने बोला एक सुंदर सा डायरी अपने पास रखिए जिसमें आप हमेशा लिखोगे जो भी आपको करने बोला है. तो विद इन ईच मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस is a wealth of secret teachings that will expand your knowledge in tremendous ways. Trust me, in each practice you will understand more and more about how life works and how easy it is to have the life you have dreamed of. बहुत इजी लगेगा, बहुत स्मूथ लगेगा, ऐसे लगेगा आप जो सोच रहे हो वही हो रहा है. आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड सच सिचुएशंस कि वाओ, आई गॉट ऑस्ट्रक हाउ इट हैपेंड. मतलब फ्रॉम वेयर इट केम, आप जो सोचोगे वो आपको दिखने लगेगा. जैसा इमेजिन करोगे, जैसा थॉट्स आपके लाइफ में आएगा, आपके जैसे थॉट्स आपके माइंड में आएगा, वो सब आप अपने आप फील करने लगोगे, देखने लगोगे रियल में. Okay, so the first 12 practices use the magical power of gratitude for what you have now. That is, जो आपको पास्ट में रिसीव हो चुका है उन सब के लिए हम लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फर्स्ट 12 days. Because unless you are grateful for what you have, for what you already received, the magic won't work and you won't receive more. So the first chapters, 12 chapters will actually set the magic of gratitude into your motion immediately, because वो हो चुका है, वो पास्ट की बातें हैं जो आपने ऑलरेडी रिसीव कर लिया, उसके लिए हम लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट 10 प्रैक्टिसेस, 12 होने के बाद नेक्स्ट 10 22 डेज कंप्लीट होगा. यूज द मैजिकल पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर योर डिजायर्स, फॉर योर फ्यूचर, फॉर योर ड्रीम्स, फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट. Through this 10 practices, you will be able to make all your dreams come true. But with consistently practice, you will see the circumstances, अपने आप opportunities आपके लाइफ में आएंगे, अपने आप सब चीज होते हुए दिखेगा. Then the last 6 practices will take you to a whole new level where you will be saturating gratitude into every cell of your body and mind. सब कुछ डीप इनसाइड आपकी ग्रैटिट्यूड घुस जाएगा. यू विल लर्न हाउ टू यूज ग्रैटिट्यूड्स मैजिकल पावर टू हेल्प अदर पीपल. आप दूसरों की हेल्प करने लग जाओगे. आप जहां पे भी जाओगे आपका ऑरा अलग रहेगा. पीपल विल एक्चुअली स्टार्ट लविंग यू. दे विल कम टू यू टू रिजॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, टू इम्प्रूव एनी नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस इन देयर लाइफ. तो कोई भी circumstances you make encounter throughout your life, you will be able to help other people. तो बेसिकली आपको भी टेंशन हो रहा होगा कि 28 days कैसे होगा, कैलेंडर में सेट होगा नहीं होगा, वी आर सो बिजी, वी हैव गॉट लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क टू डू, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ट्रस्ट मी, इट वोंट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम. एवरी डे आपके रूटीन में सेट हो जाएगा. इट वोंट टेक मच टाइम. You don't need to clear your calendar because each of the practices has been specifically created to fit into your daily life. Whether it's work days, weekends, holidays, vacations, कहीं पे भी आप कर सकते हो. So gratitude is portable. जहां आप जा रहे हो वहां आप उसको लेके जाओ. But this is the book and one gratitude journal which is always there in my bag, always there wherever I go, holidays, paid trips, wherever I go, I take one gratitude journal and this book together with me. So gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, then wherever you go, the magic will happen. Trust me. So if you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practices again from there. तो जिस दिन भी आपका मिस होगा, आपको वापस से लास्ट 3 days का अगेन फ्रॉम देयर यू नीड टू स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस, ताकि आप उस मोमेंटम में वापस से आ जाओ. ओके, प्लीज बी डिसिप्लिन्ड एंड true to yourself. कोई cheating मत करना, because it will actually help you only, right? So some practices are designed for the morning, others are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Every morning आप अगर हो सके तो, जैसे मैंने आज वीडियो डाला, तो आप अपने हिसाब से उसको देख लो. रात को अगर देखते हो तो नेक्स्ट डे आपको प्रैक्टिस को स्टार्ट करना है एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. तो आपको एवरी मॉर्निंग ध्यान रहना चाहिए कि उस दिन आपको क्या करना है. सो सम प्रैक्टिसेस विल नीड टू बी रेड द नाइट बिफोर, सो बिकॉज दे बिगिन व्हेन यू वेक. And I'll tell you when to do this. You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. So if you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning. Okay, so these are the rules which you need to follow. आप एवरी डे आपको करना है. कोई कोई प्रैक्टिसेस रात को करना होगा, कोई प्रैक्टिसेस मॉर्निंग में करना होगा. तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू नीड टू बी वेरी श्योर अबाउट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू ऑन दैट डे. So if you don't want to follow the 28 magical practices consecutively, you can also use them in other ways. You could choose one magical practice that addresses an important subject in your life that you want to change or improve. You could do that practice 3 days in a row or every day for a week. Or you could do one magical practice a week or two practices a week. The only difference being that it will take you longer to see the changes in your life. तो क्या है कि आप कोई एक सेक्टर चूज करोगे तो आप उसका वो एक सेक्टर ही आपका ठीक होते हुए दिखेगा. तो इट्स बेटर कि आप एक बार के लिए एटलीस्ट 6 months 28 days का प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली करो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इट इज. ओके, एंड उसके बाद आप चूज कर लो कि आपको 3 प्रैक्टिसेस बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड यू डू. जैसे मैजिक वाटर मुझे पसंद है, मैजिक वॉन्ड मुझे पसंद है, तो कुछ कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस आई डू इट डेली. तो उस हिसाब से आप भी चूज कर सकते हो आफ्टर डूइंग इट फॉर 3-4 months. So after the 28 days, once you have completed the 28 magical practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where and when you have a specific need, such as for health or money, or if you want to receive your dream job, have increased success in your work, or improve a relationship. Or to continue the practice of gratitude, you can open this book at random. Whichever practice you open is whichever practice you open to is the one you attracted, so it's the perfect one to do that day. तो 28 days प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आपको ये सब करना है कि आप ये बुक अपने साथ रख रहे हो. कोई भी दिन जो भी चीज आपको करना है आप कर सकते हो. एंड कुछ 3-4 प्रैक्टिसेस आपने चूज कर लिया. कभी भी कोई सिचुएशन ऐसा आता है कि आपको यू वांट टू शो ग्रैटिट्यूड, तो आप 2-3 प्रैक्टिसेस को चूज करो और वो रेगुलर बेसिस में कर लो. At the end of 28 magical practices, there are also recommendations of practices you can use in combination, which will accelerate the magic in specific areas of your life. So, can you overdo gratitude? Never. Okay, it is never overdue. आपका लाइफ मैजिकल अगर आपको करना है तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. your life will actually become magical. So use the practices over and over again. So the gratitude seeps into your subconscious mind, conscious mind, and everywhere. Okay. After 28 days, you will have rewired your brain. आपका रीवायरिंग हो गया होगा, आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में सेट हो गया होगा, एंड इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड इन एनी सिचुएशन. The magic you experience will be your inspiration, because as you incorporate gratitude into your days, they will be nothing sort of spectacular. Okay, so basically, I'm sure you must have understood all the rules and regulations which you need to follow for the 28 days. Now, the most important thing, before we start the 28 days journey, you need to know yourself. This is the self assessment time. What are your dreams in every sector of your life? Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. Sit down with a computer or pen on paper. मैंने बोला एक डायरी लो. You have to continue this practice. So एक डायरी आपके पास रहेगा तो you'll feel good also. That journal, whenever you will read, you'll feel good about it. And make a list of what you really want in every area of your life. Think through every detail of what you want to be or do have in your life, in your relationship, career, finances, health, every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and detailed as you like, but remember, your job is simply to list what you want, not how you are going to get it. सिर्फ आपको जो चाहिए वो आपको लिखना है. द हाउ विल बी डन फॉर यू व्हेन ग्रैटिट्यूड वर्क्स इट्स मैजिक. तो हाउ जो चीज है वो अपने आप आ जाएगा जब भी जैसे ही आप ग्रैटिट्यूड को अपने लाइफ में लोगे. अभी तो आपको बस क्लैरिटी चाहिए कि आपको क्या चाहिए, बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर, यूनिवर्स वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. देयर हैज टू बी क्लैरिटी in whatsoever you want. If you want to earn rupees 5 lakh every month, I want to earn rupees 5 lakh per month. So first you need to write your wants. Okay. If you want a better job or dream job, then think about everything you want the job to be. Think about the things that are important to you, such as the type of work you want to do, how you want to feel in your job. Basically, आपको जैसा काम चाहिए, आपको जैसा जॉब चाहिए, जैसा लाइफ चाहिए when you work, वो सब चीज आपको लिखना है. Okay. What kind of company you want to work with, what kind of people should be there, what should be your salary, सब कुछ आपको clearly लिखना है. Get very clear about what you want in the job by thinking it thoroughly. If you want money to educate your children, work out the details of your education. क्या पढ़ाना है, किस कॉलेज में भेजना है, किस स्कूल में भेजना है, क्या कॉस्ट ऑफ द फीस है, बुक्स का, क्लोथिंग, एवरीथिंग. एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट आप निकालो कितना आपको चाहिए आफ्टर दिस मेनी ईयर्स. अगर आपको कहीं ट्रैवल करना है, राइट डाउन द डिटेल्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज वेयर यू वांट टू विजिट, हाउ लॉन्ग, कितने दिन के लिए जाना है, व्हाट यू वांट टू सी, वेयर यू वांट टू स्टे, एवरीथिंग you should write. There has to be clarity. Suppose if you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of that person. कैसा रिलेशन चाहिए, कैसा इमोशनल अटैचमेंट चाहिए, what you want to do with that person. If you want improved relationship, write down the relationship you want to improve, what you want them to be like. कैसा आपको, अगर आप ऑलरेडी एक रिलेशनशिप में हो but there are few things which you are not liking, write down how you want your partner to be. If you want more health or an improved bodily condition, be specific about, what ways you want to improve your body. If you want a dream home, then list out every detail of that home, room by room. Specific materials, जैसे कोई कार खरीदना है तो स्पेसिफिक कार, कौन सा कलर का लेना है, कौन सा स्पेसिफिकेशन है, कैसा चाहिए, एवरीथिंग. So if you want to achieve something, such as passing an exam, getting a degree, a goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, business person, or whatever it would be you would like to achieve, write it down. Be specific as possible. So she has strongly urged you to find the time to maintain a list of your dreams throughout your life. Write down the little things, big things, small things, everything in between. What you want in this moment, this month, this year, 6 months, 3 months, जो भी चाहिए आपको. As you think of more things, add them to the list. And as you receive things, cross them from the list. An easy way to do a list of what you want to divide into categories. Categories में आप divide कर लो आराम से 6 pages. Health and body में क्या क्या चाहिए, career and work कैसा चाहिए, money, relationships, personal desire, material things, everything. Then just add the things you want from each category. So when you get clear about the things, clarity आया आपके माइंड में, आपको क्या चाहिए, you are giving a definite direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. You are ready to begin the most exciting and thrilling adventure you have ever been on. So once you get the clarity from your dream list, then you are ready for the 28 days challenge. So today you need to write your dream. Please, before you sleep, please write each dream from each category. Feel that thing that कितने टाइम में आपको चाहिए. Please bring clarity, give that direction. जैसे ही आप ग्रैटिट्यूड अपने लाइफ में लेके आओगे, आपको रोड मैप मिल जाएगा. ट्रस्ट मी. So excited? I'm very excited. So all the best. Prepare your dream list, and tomorrow you be ready with the day one of the magical practice. Stay tuned.